Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome back to the Voice of Indonesian News with me, Jasmine. News 1. In Indonesia, COVID-19 cases are on the rise. Experts say that the Delta variant is one reason. People who are not vaccinated against COVID-19 make up the most cases and deaths. Among fully vaccinated people, evidence show a small minority getting breakthrough infections. In medicines, a breakthrough infection happens when a virus breaks through the barrier a vaccine provides. News 2. In parts of India, a second wave of coronavirus infection is causing the health system to fail. Overwhelmed, the capital city of Delhi has the highest daily cases of infections. Hospital beds are full. Medicine and oxygen are in short supply. Burial places are running out of space. Aid from the other nations is coming, but healthcare and burial workers are overwhelmed. News 3. In the early 1950s, research found that people scored lower on intelligence tests if they spoke more than one language. Research in the 1960s found the opposite. So which is it? Research presented their newest studies in February at a meeting of the American Association for the Advancement of Science. The latest evidence showed that being bilingual does not necessarily make people smarter. But researchers Alan Bailey-Stokes says it probably does make you better at certain skills. So much news from me, Jasmine. Thank you very much.